This is HUAWEI Nova 10, and today we would like to demonstrate how you can download and install the Fortnite game on it. So the first step that you need to take is to open any search engine or any browser that you'd like. I'll go with Google Chrome and therefore Google. Then at the search bar type in Fortnite APK. Among the search results, go for the official epicgames.com website. Then tap on this blue download the app from Epic Games hyperlink. Wait for the APK file to get downloaded. First of all, confirm the download process, of course. Then initiate the installation. Once the Epic Games launcher has been successfully installed, you gotta simply open it. Well, accept all the terms if there are any. Then tap on this black get button, look at it right in front of a Fortnite. Then at the Fortnite dedicated page, you'll see this yellow button that says install. But first of all, we gotta download all the necessary installation files, so let's just go ahead and do that first and foremost. Alrighty, as you can see, the download process has been successfully finalized. Now we gotta allow Epic Games Launcher to install apps and initialize the Fortnite game installation real quick. Wait until everything needed will get installed and then open the game itself. The final step you gotta take is to wait until the Fortnite game itself will download all its necessary updates, resources, and what's not. And after that, you'll be able to start playing it. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.